From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 43 of NECO 2025 is on circle geometry. It says, in this figure, O is the center of the circle. Find the value of Y. So we use the rule that if we know what this is, we can get Y because angle at center is twice as circumference. So let's find what this is using the rule that angle on a straight line is supplementary. That means they sum up to 180. So let's look for angle CAB is simply 180 minus 127, and the reason is angles on a straight line, and so this is 53 degrees, and so therefore Y is twice 53 degrees, which is angle at center twice at circumference. And so 2 times 53 is 106 degrees. And that's B. Thank you for watching.